Some real chaos in a courtroom.
And an attorney led away in handcuffs from a family court hearing.
News 4's Tanner DeLeon has the courtroom video showing us how it all played out.
You interrupt me one more time, you are being held in direct contempt of court, and
Yes,
you can
ma'am.
wipe that smirk off.
I don't have a
your face.
smirk on my face.
Oh, yes, you do.
I do not.
I am not going to tolerate this from you, sir.
Just released footage shows a routine court hearing become heated between attorney Rob Hopkins and Pontotoc County Judge Lori Jackson in February. The other attorney in the courtroom, Lloyd Palmer, says the frustration stemmed from Hopkins' client not showing up to a custody hearing.
Mother has a warrant out for her arrest, or did at that time at least, so she couldn't be there to testify and give evidence. Whereas my client was there and ready to have the hearing. So things went off the rails when her lawyer was trying to basically testify, be a witness and more than a lawyer. And the judge wouldn't allow that.
You can hear Hopkins and the judge talking over each other multiple times.
I did not. There was a pause. There was a break. I wasn't done with my argument.
And I was not done with my statement. You interrupted again. Do not throw your...
I did not throw. It fell off the bench. Please stop stating things that are not true, ma'am.
So I knew Judge Jackson would be fair and was quite capable of running her courtroom. So I tried to let the system take its course.
And it did, with the other attorney questioning the judge's motive.
If I push that...
Or maybe
button,
because I'm a transgender attorney practicing all over the state.
I don't know what you are.
You do, ma'am.
It was not a factor that day. Any lawyer who had behaved like that would have received the outcome that Hopkins did.
Tensions escalated. Eventually, Judge Jackson apparently had enough.
Why?
Because you're in direct contempt of court.
He shouted at me. No, I'm not being. You did not even say that I was in
You are
contempt.
in direct...
No, I'm not
Judge,
doing
I
my stuff.
apologize, but I felt very threatened by this person. The screaming and the yelling in court, I've never even heard that before in this courtroom.
And moments later,
I don't want there to be any perception out there that Pontotoc County is not a fair county, whether you're from there or not, or that this lawyer got treated any different than anyone else who had conducted themselves in front of this judge.
we reached out to the judge's office for comment, but they declined. We have also been trying to set up an interview with Hopkins for days. He agreed to meet us at his office at 3 o'clock Thursday, but when we got there, we waited for nearly an hour. He never showed up. However, he did send us a statement saying in part, quote, "Because of the nature of my caseload and my personal investment in justice, I sometimes found myself pushing too hard to have my clients' voices heard." Adding, that has led to some professional strife that has threatened my ability to continue to be the voice of the underserved.
I felt bad for a fellow attorney who's probably having his worst day, and nobody wants to be judged by their worst day. But it was a very sad situation, unnecessary, right? Not good for anyone.
Now, also in that statement, Hopkins says that he is stepping away from his practice, and he has been charged with resisting arrest.